Now I'm going to ask you a question. What does it take to be a great leader? In school, you're taught what skills do you need to be a great leader? Just shout out the answers. Leadership skills, but what are they? Responsibility, right? Wisdom, openness, empathy, respect, yeah. What else? Knowledge, right? Okay, this is what you're taught in school, and we can go on for a long time. Okay, there are hundreds of skills you need to be a great leader. Guess what, guys? Wrong. To be a great leader in the world, in history, you need 3 skills. And if you just analyze what the leaders of today are like, it will make sense to you, okay? So Putin, Trump, every leader in the world shares these 3 skills. The first is unpredictability. People cannot predict how you will behave. You are a mystery to people. That's the first skill. Second skill is high stress tolerance. So Donald Trump is probably the most hated man in America. Guess what, guys? He goes to bed and he sleeps like a baby. He does not care, okay? He gets up and he's tweeting, he's giving speeches, he's talking to reporters. He's the happiest man alive. He does not care. And so the last skill is lack of empathy. He does not care what happens to other people. All he cares is about himself. And guess what, guys? To do well in life, you need these 3 skills. Unpredictability. No one knows how you think. No one knows how you behave. High stress tolerance. You don't care. Lack of empathy. You're very selfish. Okay? And these are the 3 skills that leaders need in order to do well. But you know what? We can just use one word to describe all 3 skills. The word we can use is dissociation. Dissociation just means that your mind is part of your body. When you dissociate, what literally happens is your mind leaves your body so that you don't think that what's happening is happening to you. It's happening to someone else. It's like you become an observer in a movie. Okay? You're in the movie, but you're also watching the movie. And this is what leads to these 3 things: unpredictability, high stress tolerance, and lack of empathy. Another word for dissociation that we use is multiple personality disorder. Donald Trump is so unpredictable because he's literally 100 different people. In a different circumstance, he's a different person. And that's why you can never actually predict how he will behave. And all the great leaders in history were like that, okay?